Warriors off to a good start. That's a good appeal, but maybe the slight inside edge that saved him. The ball nipping back. Good nip back there. Oh yes, the inside edge saved him. Otherwise it was thudding into the leg stump.
This is a majestic start here for Telugu Warriors. One felt that the target of 148 would not be easy one, but to some extent they've got off to such a great start. 22 without loss, Telugu Warriors, and at a very hectic pace these runs have come so far for Telugu Warriors. So no ball here. Is it a front foot rule? Yes, it is. So it's a free hit after this.
Well, that's the first no ball of the evening. That means the next ball that the batsman faces, even if he gets out, he cannot be given out, and the runs will count. Let's see if he can take full toll of that free hit. He doesn't. That's a Carbon Kamal catch, but he's not out. This being a free hit.
I was chatting with Adarsh in Sharjah, and it seemed that he's played under 19 cricket for Hyderabad. He's got all the basics right, and he's the right person to pace the innings in this run chase for Telugu Warriors. Lets it go this time, quite wide away from the off stump. Both these players have shown good skill so far. Most of the strike has been hogged by Vishwa, who's done quite well, 15 of only 11 deliveries. So runs are coming thick and fast here for Telugu Warriors. The required rate is 7.09 and the current run rate has gone up, 9.60. 124 needed now from 105 deliveries for Telugu Warriors to win this game.
Well, attempting to cut it, but that's a sharp single. That's good running between the wickets. Vishwa responding. The point was standing on the circle, and since the ball was not really hit too hard, he could manage that run.
ये अच्छी डिलीवरी थी प्रदीप की, गिरने के बाद थोड़ा सा मूवमेंट ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर से. Madhuri Bhattacharya, brand ambassador for Karnataka Bulldozers, sitting in the dugout of the Bulldozers camp there. Seemed very keen on cricket and extremely vocal in her support for Karnataka Bulldozers. Drive, finds the gap, another boundary.
Boundary again.
3 ओवर के बाद 29 बिना किसी नुकसान के तेलुगु वॉरियर्स.